Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within your Facebook application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, click on the account icon at the top right corner, and then from the menu screen, just scroll down and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, from the expanded menu, you will be able to find the language option. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will now show you various different languages that are available for the Facebook app. Just tap on whichever language you prefer to use, and now this will change the language onto the one that you just selected right away. You can change this setting at any point of time by coming back into the same menu and then expanding Settings and Privacy. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Facebook application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.